Hi and welcome to Travels with Russells. Well, this evening we're going by request to a little restaurant that we've been asked to visit. It's called Phivos, and we're going to sample the tourist menu. People say to us, well, is it any good? Is it? Oh, well, we're going to go find out. So come and join us, let's see. So, Phivos Restaurant, famous for his set menu, so let's go and have a look. Tourist set menu. Hello, thank you. Thank you. So what we've got is the set menu. And if you want to freeze frame it at this point, have a look. And you get the same kind of set menu with the wine, which I believe is a few euros more with the wine. Don't know where that's gone. Falling to bits is this menu. Anyway, let's have a look. So you're right, dear?
Yeah, just come straight up.
So obviously they have a normal kind of menu with steaks and things on it, so you can have a look there if you want to freeze frame. Have a look at a lot of fish, local dishes, and a mezzi. So the white, red or rosé wine comes with the meal if you have the set menu, but it is a different price. I'll tell you all the prices at the end. And Julie says the wine's okay. So. It's 7:20, so it's quite early to eat in Cyprus. Because it's just so hot.
Yeah, it's exactly.
So people tend to eat a bit later. They wait till the sun goes down and then eat. It's very warm in Cyprus. So both gone traditional. Julie's gone for the dolmades, which is vine leaves with rice and mincemeat inside, and a tomato sauce on the outside with a nice bit of salad. Looks nice. Mm-hmm. Meanwhile, I've gone for
Grilled halloumi.
My favourite is grilled halloumi, and again a little bit of salad, some squiggles. So very nice. Well, the dolmades were demolished very quickly, and so was the halloumi. Delicious. I love halloumi. Grilled halloumi is lovely. And Julie just loves a bit of dolmades, and she says they were very good, some of the best.
Yeah, because they were full of meat, actually, a lot of meat in them.
That's good. It's often they're just very ricey.
Yeah.
It's nice to know there's a bit of meat in.
Definitely meaty and tomato sauce here, lovely.
Very good. Okay, what did you get, Julie?
I've got stifado with chips, vegetables, rice. It smells delicious.
And I got a pepper steak with chips, rice, vegetables, and a lettuce leaf.
Yeah, I got one of those as well.
Did you get a lettuce
yeah,
leaf?
I got
Oh, the lettuce leaf special. Good. So, how was your stifado?
It was okay, thank you.
Okay.
Very tasty sauce, lovely sauce, and the meat was very tender.
Well, my sauce was very tasty, a bit salty, but my steak was at best room temperature. I'd say it was cold, but there we go. The chips were hot, the vegetables were hot. In fact, I think the lettuce leaf were hotter than the steak, so I don't know what had gone on there. Whether it had been left to rest and left a bit too long, I don't know. It wasn't the best steak, but then again, you're not paying the most for the meal, so can't complain. And Julie's leaving all the rice and some vegetables. I don't know why she's leaving vegetables. That's very naughty.
Because it's too much.
So our dessert, and for dessert we have yogurt and honey, which is one of my favourites. Love a bit of yogurt and honey. Very traditional. Really very thick yogurt. Good.
Yeah, it's nice. Maybe a bit too much honey for you.
Yeah, well, it's alright. Once in a while. So, rather nice yogurt and honey. Very nice.
And it's quite a big portion, that, isn't it? It's a big portion.
Yeah, it is a big portion. It's good dessert. Yogurt and honey, a very traditional Greek dessert. Or Cypriot dessert. So, Tia Maria on the house.
Very nice glasses.
Glasses are alright. What's the drink like? Tia Maria. Yeah.
Probably longer, but it's just as good. That looks like
So the fruits come out now. I'm getting deeply suspicious. Anyway, it's very nice. Now, I'm not saying that everybody's going to get fruit. I don't know about that. I'm not saying everybody's going to get a great big, whatever that Tia Maria or a Bailey's or whatever. I don't know. I don't think so. I think they've seen the camera. So there we go. So, a nice meal. And the price of the meal with the half litre of wine and the two of us, 3-course meal, €31 for both of us. So €15.50 each. And then at the end, fresh fruit and a brandy or a Tia Maria or whatever you wanted. You can't knock it for value for money. It's not the best quality in the world. The halloumi was great, and the dolmades I know Julie loves. The yogurt and honey was good, but my steak was a bit cold. Well, no, it was cold. And yeah.
My steak was okay. It was very warm, hot. Yeah.
So, what we can say is, would I come? Yep, I would come again. Are there other places I'd go? Yes, as well. So, yep, if I'm passing and Phivos asked you in, go in and have a meal. Right, well, that's us done for tonight. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.